Pepper always runs over to Winnie's yard and shits. Like always in this little area, kind of right where Hulk is. Don't you walk in there. Pay attention. He's gonna like look at me and I'll make him walk in it. And they have before. They'll just walk right up in it. Just to go pee on it. Oh, you big old burrito boy? Are you my burrito? Come here. Don't. I love you too, Pepper. Jeez. Oh, you crazy boys. Did you have fun? We hung out with Winnie earlier. He should be. His poor elderly owner has an overnight stalking job, if you can imagine. He's like, I just worked 15 days straight. I'm like, oh my god. uh, Good worker. Poor guy. But yeah, that's why we grab Winnie for walks, typically. And they're all buddies. You guys better not throw up again.